Hey, what's up everybody? So today's Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving. I took the day off from work, just because, and I have a very busy day. I'm gonna go sell my clothes, which I'm gonna show you the process of how to do that. But first, I need to hit the gym. So got the blink, putting my stuff away in the locker. I'm gonna go hit shoulders today. So I finished working out. I'm actually gonna go get COVID tested at the urgent care near my house. They have this thing called rapid testing where it's a nasal swab, but then you get your results within 15 minutes. So I thought it was cool. I just wanted to try that and get tested again to see what my results are.
What the?
One eternity later.
What the? What the? Ain't looking for drama from me.
Hey, so I just came back from getting my rapid COVID test at CityMD, and I waited 4 hours in line. It's ridiculous. I got there around 11 a.m. after the gym, and I didn't get seen until about like 3 p.m. The overall procedure is pretty quick, and I got my results back within 30 minutes, and it was sent directly to my patient portal account. But the amount of people that were there was just insane. And I think it's because of the holidays. It is the day before Thanksgiving, and everyone's getting ready to see family, or they're going to travel soon, so maybe that's why there were a lot of people, but I've never had to wait 4 hours for a COVID test before. Oh my god. Alright, Adam, what are we eating today?
We are eating what is this? Mozzarella cheese over chicken. Yeah, I'm not gonna finish it. You can finish it.
So we just finished eating. Gonna show you guys where to find the best public restrooms in New York City, in midtown Manhattan, because Adam really needs to pee. Yeah, this is I know what to do, like, so the toilet in there has a plastic covering that you can just replace by pressing a button. Very high-tech bathroom. One of the best public bathrooms you can find in midtown Manhattan.
Like the one in Bryant Park.
Bryant Park doesn't have that?
They have the rolling seat.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so now the con of this bathroom is that it closes pretty early. So if you're trying to use the bathroom late night, this is not the place for you.
AirPod. I'm buying the AirPod Black Friday deal.
Alright, so Adam found a Black Friday deal on Walmart. What is it? What's the deal again?
AirPod Pro, second version. It's only $169. Actually, that's quite expensive. I know that. I'm sorry, but the original price is like $250. Come on, it's a good deal.
What a steal. Alright, so the next place here is...
Don't move.
So the next place here is Penn Station up on 32nd Street and 7th Avenue. This place has a public restroom that's open 24 hours. So anytime of the day, come here and use the bathroom. Cleanliness scale, I'd give it probably about like 1 out of 5. It's kind of dirty in there. But yeah, Penn Station. Thanksgiving in 2020. Usually there would be a Thanksgiving parade. Instead, we have this. Alright, so our next stop is Macy's in Herald Square. This is what I think is the creme de la creme of public restrooms in Midtown. It's a department store, so you can just walk in. They have a men's room and a women's room. Men's room's in the basement. I know, I've been there a lot of times. And cleanliness, I would say I'd give it like a 4 out of 5. It's a department store, so they keep it clean. It meets all of Adam's sanitary needs.
I'm smiling, but you can't see it.
He's mastered the eye smile. Yeah. So update, Adam managed to get the AirPod Pro for $169. Found it on Amazon. Okay. So happy.
December 2nd.
放给我的爱人来一杯莫吉托，我喜欢给入它微醺时的眼眸，而我的咖啡糖不用太多，这世界已经。
So the next public restroom is in Food Gallery 32 in K-Town. So this is a food court / restaurant. And it has restrooms in there. You don't necessarily need to buy anything to use it. However, you would have to go through a temperature check because it's located on the 3rd floor, and in order to go up, they check your temperature. Cleanliness scale, I'd give it about a 3 out of 5. They do keep it clean, but it's just kind of old, so it's not bad. And if you have to go, you have to go. Review of Machi Machi.
Adam wants to retract his words. He wants to apologize to Machi Machi. Adam?
It tastes pretty good. Especially the cream brulee. It's creamy, it's eggish. It's slightly sweet, but it's not too sweet. Yeah.
世界已经